When I think of flow on drums, I think of being able to freely express a single idea or a string of ideas without any kind of hesitation or any interruption. So there are two main paths to developing flow on the drums, and in this video we're going to check out a simple exercise to develop flow using one of these paths: creating phrases. Stick around till the end of the video where I'll tell you what the second part to developing flow is. Check this concept: topics, ideas, and words. The topic is the note rate, the ideas are the phrases we create about that topic, and the words will be the stick-ins. So here are 4 words. We'll keep track of them by assigning a letter to every word, so A, B, C, D. Now, by putting them together, we get a bunch of musical sentences, and the catch is we could rearrange these ideas to create different sentences. Using simple math, I can tell you that we could rearrange these words to create at least 28 unique phrases. We'll check out 4 of them. So which one of these phrases was your favorite one? Let me know down in the comments. So the other path to flow is to improvise, and I have a playlist of 4 videos that dive deeper into how to incorporate improvisation into your practice routine, along with a step-by-step guide to building the words based on the topics, and in this case it's triplets. This channel is dedicated to practice steps for drum concepts, for the skills that you'll need as a working drummer. And so if you found this helpful, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell with a flam so that you know when I'm posting. See you next time in the Drum Corner.